What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Wave Pops, and we're here again today with another video. So today I'm basically going to be giving you tips that you're going to need as a waver. So before we get into the video, hop on Instagram, pops_waves, get yourself your durag, your wave caps, everything you need. Hop on there right now and let's get into it. Yeah, so now we're back. So yeah, before you get into waves and you get confused and get lost, you need to know certain things. There are many things you need to know basically. You need to know the lingo. That's one thing, because there are certain words you're going to be hearing from me in my videos and all. You need to know what they mean. You can't just my words mean. So yeah, first of all, I'm going to tell you what woofing is. Yeah, woofing is basically when you grow your hair out, when you keep your hair for a period of time. Some people for 4 months, 6 months. It depends for as long as you want to go. Some people go for 10 weeks, 2 weeks, 1 week. No, 1 week is no 1 week isn't woofing. But yeah, it's basically growing your hair out and keeping it that way and brushing while you do that. So yeah, that's what woofing is. And woofing actually helps. But how do I do this? Yeah, it helps train your waves. It helps keep the new growth properly. They help train the new growth. It's basically to enhance your waves. Yeah, so you need to woof from time to time. Everybody needs to woof. You can't just choose. Everybody needs to woof. But if you don't want to woof, it's your choice. But personally, I advise everybody to woof. Yeah, so that's one. Then next, I'm going to be talking about ripples. Yeah, ripples. Yeah, ripples are basically what you see when you just start getting waves. When you just start brushing, the first few weeks, depending on your hair texture, like I said in the last video. Yeah, the first few weeks, what you see on your hair, the basic little lines and curls you see in your hair, those are what they call ripples. And ripples they are also waves, but they are not meant to be called waves. Yeah, because I can't say I have waves and you with ripples in your hair say you have waves too. Yeah, so that's it. So ripples are basically the beginning of your wave journey. They are the little curls that appear in your hair before your waves begin to connect. And that brings us to the next word, and that's connections. Yeah, when every waver needs to have good connections. That's one thing every waver needs to have. You need to have good connections. That's what qualifies you to be an elite waver. Without good connections, your waves are going to be all messed up, looking nappy, looking funny. Your connections are what makes it stand out. So basically, connections are connections. What you're trying to do is make sure your waves link up and form a clean, straight curl, straight line around your head. So depending on the pattern you want, your lines and your curls have to be intact, have to be in sync. You have to link up and be straight. That's basically what connections are here. So another thing you're going to need to know is scalping. You need to know what they call scalping. Scalping is basically cutting all your hair off, starting your wave journey again, starting afresh. Probably you didn't like the way your waves are turning out, you don't like the direction your waves are growing in, you want to change brushing direction and all. It's a choice thing. Yeah, I haven't scalped since I started on my wave journey. Some people do, they just want to have a change of direction in their waves, someone to start growing the 720s and all, so they scalp, and yeah, that's what scalping is. But not everybody needs to scalp. Basically, nobody needs to scalp. It's a choice thing, yeah. So yeah, another thing you need to know is you need to know your crown. Your crown is the center of your head. It's where, not exactly the center, because different people crown tend to form at different points in the head. So it's more of where your hair is growing out from, the base of your hair, the center. Yeah, it's still this. Yeah, still the center of your hair. For example, my crown is okay somewhere here. Yeah, some might be located at the center, some might be located to one side, to the left, or to the right, depending. So you need to know where your crown is. That's one of the first things you need to locate when you start brushing hair. There are two basic styles for your crown. There are two basic ways you could style your crown. There's the swirl and there's the beehive. The swirl and the beehive. So it's all about the angles you're brushing. Basically, it's all about the angles you're brushing. You choose whichever you want. You choose whichever you feel looks better on you, and it's all about brushing, the angles you're brushing. I guess I'll probably do videos in the direction on how to get both the swirl and the beehive. But yeah, that's it. And another thing I'd like to talk about is the forks. Yeah, forks are basically breaks in your connection. When you have good connection, the little break is called a fork. Any break between a wave and another wave, or a line of waves and another line of waves, is called a fork. So it's usually caused by change of direction when brushing. Probably you don't use the mirror to brush, and all. I'll probably do a video too on how to fix forks. Yeah. Oh, so many videos to do. Yeah. So probably I think that's all for now. Okay, now I'm going to give you tips to maintain your waves here. First of all, you need to get yourself a good barber. You need to get a barber that knows what he's doing. A barber that is, I'm trying to look for the word there. A barber that is careful about his craft. A barber that knows what he's doing. Don't just give your hair to any barber. Your waves are as precious as anything, so you have to take good care of them. Personally, I advise for you to learn to cut your hair by yourself. I cut my hair by myself, and it has saved me a whole lot of stress and scare of my barber messing up my waves or anything like that. So you need to learn to cut your hair by yourself, or you could simply get a very, very good barber here. Then you need to learn your angles. You need to learn your angles. That's why you need your mirror, so you can see the directions in which you're brushing. You need to focus on the direction, focus on the pattern, and keep going in that pattern so you don't get forks, so you get flawless connection. Because flawless connection is basically what waves are centered around. That's what makes your wave stand out. That's what makes your waves look makes your wave look good. Yeah, it makes your waves look good. So you need to know your angles when brushing. Learn your angles. Learn to the point that you don't need your brush to brush in the right direction. You don't need your mirror to brush in the right direction. So you need to learn to brush. Then another tip is brush your hair when you wake up. Make it part of your morning routine, even before you have your bath or anything. Probably before you brush your teeth, make sure you brush your hair. My advice is to put your hairbrush by your bed, by your nightstand or something. That way you are able to remember. Then try to brush as much as you can Like I said in the last video, 2 hours daily, try to break it into minutes. It's break it into something comfortable for you, but make it something you enjoy doing. It's not easy. I tell you, it's not easy. If you are lazy, waves are not easy. So I advise you to get a different style of hair you want to do, because waves are not easy. Waves is a long-term relationship here. You need to commit. So that's basically it for today. You just need to keep brushing, and I'll keep giving you tips on what to do and how to maintain your waves. So keep brushing, get your mirror and brush. Sleep with your durag, always sleep with your durag or your wave cap, whichever is comfortable for you. And yeah, we're done. So please make sure you like, subscribe, comment and share. Please flood my comment section. I want to see feedbacks. I want to hear from you guys. So let me know what you want to see in videos. Let me know the type of content you'd like to see. I'd really appreciate that. So please subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you, and peace. Yeah, till next time. Bye.